Man, I really don't want to be in school today. It's just the same thing day after day after day. I wish something new and exciting would happen for once, but what can I do to make that happen? Hey, a new idea just came to my brain once again. Because I hate school, I am going to ask Miss Martin if I could go to the bathroom, then, I will pull the fire alarm and make people think that there's a fire. Wow, Arthur, you're a genius as always. Well, I have to go to class now.
Good morning, class. Today, we will be starting chapter 2 of our history books. So go ahead and take them out.
Excuse me, Miss Martin, can I go to the bathroom?
Oh, by all needs go ahead, because I know that if I say no, you will threaten me that you'll go to the bathroom here instead. So yeah, just go, but make it really fast.
Okay, thank you so much. Perfect, the coast is clear, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap, I did it, holy crap, I did it, holy crap, I did it.
Oh no, that's the fire alarm. Come on guys, single file line out of the door, quickly. Okay, that's all of you, but where's Arthur?
Oh, there you are, Miss Martin.
Oh my god, there you are, Arthur. I was so worried. Where have you been?
I was in the bathroom, and I sprinted out of the school as soon as I heard the fire alarm.
Oh, okay, well, thank God you're okay.
We got a report of a fire alarm going off here.
Yes, that's right. This is the place.
Oh, officer, thank God you're here. I know you are here because of the fire alarm. Well, I have a surveillance video to show you, and Miss Martin, I think you should see it too.
Oh, okay then.
Okay, let's see it.
Three, 2, 1. Holy crap, I did it, holy crap, I did it, holy crap, I did it.
Such an illegal thing to do. That's it. You are so Let's go forever.
Kid, get in my car right now. I'm taking you to juvie. This is your cell. You'll be staying here for 2 months due to pulling the fire alarm at your school. And oh, you have a visitor.
Arthur Timothy Reed, I am so ashamed of you right now. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it. When you get out, you're grounded for 20,000 days.